let's say we're using the sum if or count if, and we want to say, hey, we want text that looks, similar to this text, but it might not match exactly the same. So wildcard characters give us some flexibility here. There's two big ones that you need to know. The first is a question mark. So the question mark replaces exactly one character of text. And a character can be a letter, it can be a number, it can be a space, it can be apostrophe. So a character, this question mark replaces exactly one character. So which text matches with this pattern right here? LE and then something and then ON. So looking at this right now, lemon matches because this M is one character. It gets replaced by the question mark. If we replaced the M with the question mark, it would match this pattern, LE something ON. And that is the only one that matches. So of the fruits below, how many would match with this pattern? We have one. Okay, now the other wildcard that you need to know is this asterisk. So the asterisk replaces any number of characters, including 0. So any text that starts with A and ends with E would match this pattern because this asterisk could be nothing, it could be a whole bunch of letters, it could be a whole bunch of nonsense, it could be whatever you can imagine. And as long as the text starts with A and ends with E, then it matches this pattern. So how many match this pattern? Well, A something E, apple, right? So replace the PPL with the asterisk, and it matches apple. And that's the only one that starts with A and ends with E. So we have one. Okay, so the fruits below, how many would match this pattern? So we have anything and then PPLE. So we're looking for anything that ends in PPLE, regardless of what comes before it. So apple, that matches. But also pineapple, that matches. It ends in PPLE. So if you just look for anything that matches this pattern here, we have 2 results. Of the fruits below, how many would have matched with this pattern? So we have anything followed by BERRY. So strawberry and blueberry. We get 2 results here. And then of the fruits below, how many would match with this pattern? So this looks like the last one, except it doesn't have the B. It's anything that ends in ERRY. So we have strawberry, blueberry. Also, cherry matches this pattern because it ends in ERRY. Regardless of what comes before the ERRY, we have 3 that end with ERRY. Okay, so this one's a little different. Of the fruits below, how many would match with 4 question marks followed by BERRY? So remember that the question mark replaces exactly one character of text. Each question mark replaces one character of text. So we're looking for any 4 characters followed by BERRY. Well, strawberry isn't going to work because straw is 5 characters, so it's not going to match this pattern of 4 characters followed by BERRY. Blueberry does. So the fruits below, how many would match with this pattern? We have any 4 characters followed by an N. So lemon, LEMO are the 4 question marks followed by N. Melon also works. Any 4 characters followed by N. Yeah, so we have 2. So how many would match this pattern? This is A followed by anything else. So any text that starts with A is going to match this pattern right here. So we have apple, and that's it. Okay, now if we just have an asterisk here with no other letters, then we're saying any text at all is going to match with this pattern, because remember, this replaces any text, any number of characters. So how many results would we have? We'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of the fruits below, how many would match with 2, 3, 4, 5 question marks? All right, now remember, each question mark is one character. So we're looking for anything that's 5 characters long, regardless of what the characters are. So apple, that's 5 characters long. Lemon, melon, and that's it. So 3. All right, so yeah, wildcards, they're a little strange, they're a little confusing. They're going to make more sense in the upcoming lessons why we need them, but hang tight, keep going. It's all going to make more sense in a little bit.